Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to sign up for Venmo and how to use Venmo. Alright, so let's begin. This will work for both Android and iOS devices. First, if you're using an iPhone, open the App Store. If you're using an Android device, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Venmo and download the official app by Venmo. Once the app is installed, tap on Open. You'll see two options, personal account or business account. For most users, you'll want to select personal and then tap on sign up. Next, enter your phone number and tap send code. You'll receive a verification code via SMS. Enter the code and tap submit code. Now you'll need to fill in your details. Enter your legal first and last name, create a username, add your email address, and set a secure password. Confirm that you're at least 18 years old, then tap next. After that, agree to Venmo's user agreement and privacy policy by tapping agree. You'll then have the option to sync your phone or Facebook contacts. If you don't want to do this, simply tap skip for now. By default, Venmo accounts are set to public, meaning your payments can be seen by others. If you want more privacy, you can change this. So, in order to make your Venmo account private, you have to follow these steps. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right. Then tap the settings icon at the top right. Go to privacy. From there, choose private and confirm your selection. Now let's talk about how to use Venmo. On the main screen, tap pay or request. You can enter a username, phone number or email. You can also scan a QR code. Then enter the amount you want to send, for example $10, and add a note describing what the payment is for. Then tap pay to send money or request to ask for money. That's the basic way Venmo works. You can also explore additional features like ordering a Venmo debit card or buying cryptocurrency directly in the app. And that's it. So that's all for this video. Thanks.